Hi friends, Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches here. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful hearts or a chain of hearts, because you can crochet just one or continue working with them until you reach the number of hearts you prefer. This is a highly versatile project because you can use these hearts in a lot of things like bookmarks, bracelets, chokers, or you can also crochet them as earrings. I will show you how to crochet heart earrings in one of my next tutorials. So let's go. For this project you can use any type of yarn you like, depending on what you would like to crochet with this pattern. For example, you can use this yarn, which is acrylic, but it also has some metallic elements in it. You can use a thinner yarn like this, a cotton yarn maybe, and in one of my next tutorials I will show you how to crochet earrings using this cord, which is for jewelry making. For now I'm going to use this one because this is quite thick, so you will be able to follow what I do. Also you can decorate your project with beads if you like. For now I'm going to crochet a simple heart pattern, and then you can adjust it to what you prefer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to crochet 4 chains. You can crochet your chains any way you prefer. So I do it this way. So I have 4 chains. What I'm going to do now is to crochet my stitches into this first chain, the one we crocheted first. So yarn over, I'm going to insert the hook here into the first chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. But I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to finish my double crochet stitch. So now I have 2 loops left on my hook, and again I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start crocheting a double crochet stitch without finishing it. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. So I have 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. So now I have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, and I have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So now I have 7 loops on my hook and 1 last. So I have crocheted my last unfinished double crochet stitch, and I have 8 loops on the hook. Now I'm going to crochet these loops like this. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the first one, and from now on I'm going to crochet 2 loops together. So yarn over, pull through the next 2, 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 and I have 2 loops which I crocheted together again. And in this way I have finished one side of my heart. I'm going to do the same thing in order to crochet the other side of my heart. I'm going to turn my work, I'm going to place the tail of my yarn like this in order to secure it, and now I'm going to yarn over and insert the hook into this same place and yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. So I have one incomplete double crochet stitch and 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So I have now 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need one more. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, and in this way I have 2, 4, 6, 8 loops on the hook, which I'm going to crochet in the way I showed you the previous time. So yarn over and pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through the other 2, yarn over and pull through the other 2, yarn over and pull through the other 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2, and yarn over and pull through the other 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. And in this way we have finished our heart. Also, what you can do is to pull up the tail of your crochet and in this way secure the heart. So as you can see, I have finished a heart. It's beautiful, isn't it? What you can do now is to just stop here, depending on what you would like to do. What you will do is to secure your yarn and cut it off and have one heart ready to use in your projects. But what I would like to do here is to go on and crochet a row of hearts which you can use as a border or a headband, a choker, a bracelet. It's really up to you. And as I said, you can also decorate this row with beads. So let me show you how you can crochet your next heart, and as many hearts as you like. So let me weave in this tail. Of course you can do it in the end whenever it's more suitable for you, but anyway, let me do it now. Try to find a way to hide it. And now we are ready to continue to our next heart in exactly the same way. So I'm going to crochet 5 chains, and then I'm going to crochet all my stitches into this 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert the hook here. I'm going to start creating a double crochet stitch, which I'm not going to finish. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and stop there. Now I have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, and now I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, 4 loops on the hook, and we continue in the same way, please, until you have 8 loops on your hook. So let me count, please. I need 1 more. And in this way I have completed the number of the stitches, and now I'm going to finish with them. So yarn over and pull through the first loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2 by 2, yarn over, pull through 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 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And now again we have completed half of the heart, or one side of the heart. We are going to turn and crochet the same stitches here again. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, so 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, 4 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Let me do it again because my yarn got tangled. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So now I have 8 loops on the hook, so I'm ready to finish the side by yarning over and pull through the first one, yarn over and pull through the other 2, the next 2, yarn over and pull through 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 the next 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. And in this way I have finished my second heart. I think it's a very nice pattern. You can use it in many different ways. If you can keep on crocheting hearts, you can create a beautiful bracelet or a headband if you use a thicker yarn. And as I said, you can decorate it with beads wherever you like, here between the hearts, like this, and here. So this is the way we crochet chain of hearts, let's say. I'm going to show you one more time. So we crochet 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. So I will work this heart in the same way. Yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, and start a double crochet stitch without completing it. So yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and have 2 loops on the hook. And now the second, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And you go on this way until you have the same number of stitches as in your previous heart. So you can try to add more or crochet fewer stitches depending on your yarn. So let me finish my incomplete stitches. So now I have the right number of loops on my hook, 8 loops, and I'm going to start closing them together. So yarn over, pull through the first one, yarn over and pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and you continue in the same way until you finish all the loops. So now I have finished one side of a heart and I'm going to turn and work the other side. Yarn over, insert my hook into the 4th chain and crochet an incomplete double crochet stitch, and I will do exactly the same until there are 8 loops on my hook. Please let me count the loops. I need one more. So now I have 8 loops. So I'm ready to yarn over, pull through the first one, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and continue until I pull through all the stitches and complete a heart. So this is how we crochet a chain of hearts. Of course, you can go on and crochet as many as you like in the same way. You can use this pattern and create many things like bookmarkers, bracelets, chokers, headbands, anything you can think of. If you liked my tutorial, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My next tutorial will be on how to crochet a heart, a bigger heart, using the Tunisian method. It will be a good opportunity for you to start crocheting with the Tunisian method, because we are not going to need a Tunisian hook. So please join me in that tutorial too. I hope to see you again in one of my videos. Until then, think positive. Thank you for watching and bye for now.